Whoa, look at this view. Wow. Okay, we just went to the Field Museum. My battery is very, very low now. So, there it is. It's a massive, beautiful building. Gorgeous. And now we're gonna head back to the city to go get some food.
Boba.
Oh, the other one that's next to him.
And we got some lemonade slushy.
There's a lot of leaky gel. And the bobas are soft and
How was it good from our last boba? Same?
This is the best.
Really? You like it better?
Yeah, it has a lot of lychee and the boba is like soft and chewy. You can melt in your mouth.
Aiden says he likes this boba better than Timu.
No, Mommy, the one that we got at Q thing was better than Timu also. But this is the best because the boba can just melt in your mouth.
Here comes the food.
This is mine, this is mine, this is mine. Okay,
Let's see it.
Yes.
And then don't eat your rainbow corn, Dad.
Whoa! Oh! This is the sweet potato. Maybe got potato. Is it hot?
Kind of like yeah, that's cereal, but it tastes like French toast.
Aiden's adding some ketchup to his. Because why not, y'all? Oh, and mustard. Okay. We went to Te Amo, or according to Ethan, Timo.
Ube, strawberry,
I don't know that.
Banana.
banana, chocolate,
Oreo.
Oreo,
Banana.
mango.
That's oopsie. Mango. Tastes like banana.
I normally don't like banana, but this is really good. It's like banana cream pie, but mochi dough. It's chewy and moist.
The other one we haven't tried is what?
Chocolate.
We haven't tried it. any of these.
Okay, let's try another one that we haven't tried.
Chocolate.
So chocolate. Aiden wants to do chocolate next.
Okay, let's do chocolate. What is that on top?
I don't know, graham crackers?
Miniature graham crackers?
Graham cracker. No, it's little toasties.
I think I like the banana better than that.
Yes.
Oreo. By the way, my nails are done by Annabelle.
These ones have been the perfect rip so far.
Mmm.
I think those were Joshy's favorite, right? When they came.
Best
The
so
Oreo's
far.
really good.
Okay, final one.
Definitely tastes like Oreo. So this is the mango.
I want to get a mango.
Have little sprinkles on it.
Aww, so cute. Mine is more sprinkles. Mmm.
It's very mild mango flavor.
Mm-hmm.
All of them are very, they're not too sweet.
Perfect sweetness.
Yeah, they have the perfect sweetness.
It can be dangerous though when it's not too sweet. Because
Yeah.
when it's really
So
sweet,
you
you can
just
get.
keep eating them.
Yeah, it's too good. Okay, strawberry and ube.
We've tried the strawberry and the ube already.
But why not try it again, just to make sure? Is it what you remembered?
Pocky stick.
Oh yeah, it does remind you of a pokey
It's like
stick.
Pokey Sticks.
Same strawberry flavor.
And ube is very similar to taro, but more mild sweetness.
Okay, now after you've eaten all these, and then we had matcha last night. That's the other one. Which one is your favorite?
Mango and Oreo.
It's a tie for you, mango and Oreo.
I think I like the banana one the best.
Whoa!
Banana or Oreo, those two.
Oreo is on top, then mango, then banana, then ube, then strawberry, then chocolate.
Where does matcha lie?
Okay, I'll restart. Oreo, mango, banana, ube, matcha, strawberry, chocolate.
I think I like the chocolate the least, but they're all good.
Oh, that's too bad because we chose chocolate over matcha.
We wanted to try it.
We did want to try chocolate because we haven't tried chocolate. The reason why we got 6 is because they have a deal of basically buy 5, get 1 free with the 6. That's basically what it is. So
I'm pretty
that's
sure
why we got
this
the
one
6.
was the free one.
Okay, I'll give them a try, but I do know that I love the texture of these mochi donuts better than any of the other mochi donuts we've had in the past. They're really spongy, very soft, and what's really nice, like Megan said, is they are not too sweet. Delicious. So far, all of our food choices gets a 5-star. We've really scored, haven't we?
Yeah, Mommy, I'll feel you eating mochi donuts.
Okay. Let's start with the
That is mango.
mango. Mango, yeah, it's very, very mild. I'm surprised it's your favorite, Aiden. You like mild taste?
It's second. It just doesn't taste like mango.
Okay, next one I'm gonna try this Oreo, which everyone loved. Megan, was this one of your tops?
Yes, it was.
Delightful. If you like Oreo cookies, that's a gentle, mild Oreo flavor. Now let's try the chocolate, which is the least favorite of everybody's. Should have got matcha. Ready? If you like chocolate, you'll like it. But yeah, it's just a plain chocolate. Next up, banana. Megan's favorite. Banana.
From Minions.
I like banana. I was just thinking about it. The banana with the chocolate would be delicious. Chocolate with a drizzle of peanut butter would also elevate the chocolate one so it didn't seem so plain. I already had the strawberry and ube, but I'll have it again just because Why not? This is a food trip. Why not eat more food? By the way, don't you worry. I wake up early to work out. Okay, friends. So that is the review on these delicious mochi donuts. I'm going to end. But before that, let's get a close-up on me pulling one of the mochi donuts apart so you can actually see the texture. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Did you get that?
Now wait close up of you eating it.
No close-up on me eating it. Hard to choose. But like Megan, I like the banana. I also like the ube. I do like the matcha just because I like matcha flavor. It's not here. It was taste tested yesterday. And I like the... Okay, I like all of them. I can't choose. They're all good, y'all. Except for the chocolate one is kind of plain. If I purchase the half dozen again, instead of the chocolate, I would get the mochi.
Matcha.
I would get the matcha. So if you order this, unless you are a chocolate lover and you just like the plain chocolate, get the chocolate. But otherwise, variety, I would get one of each with the matcha instead of the chocolate.
Yes.
So matcha, Oreo, mango, banana, strawberry, and ube. Try them. They're delicious. That's a wrap. Bye-bye.
Who are you waving at, Aiden?
I haven't.
This is tavern style.
I hope you guys are hungry.
I'm hungry.
I haven't eaten anything all day.
Dig in. How is it? Yeah, so that's how thin the crust is. So
Of what?
all of this thickness is topping. That is the meal. They suggested this tavern style pizza.
Perfect. You never like
That's
tavern
really
style?
good. Millennium Park at nighttime, y'all. Totally different vibe. There's the guy from Tokyo Drift.
Mommy, come here.
Never seen the movie, but apparently DC looks like the guy from Tokyo Drift. Comment below if you agree. Anywho, there's the iconic bean in the middle of the city.
Not even close.
Let's see. Hold it up. Hold it up next to your face. Let's see. It's your twin. Fireworks, y'all.
Michigan and a bug country.
Yeah, bug country. Hope you enjoyed that firework display off of Lake Michigan here in Chicago. It's free, it's fun, happens every Wednesday night during the summer.
On Saturday.
Oh, and Saturday. Thank you so
Beware of this mosquitoes.
bring bug spray, okay? Okay, everyone's leaving me because the bugs. But I'm gonna leave you how I always leave you. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, we send you our love and appreciation. Bye bye.